Good morning, guys. This is Pierre from My Search for Freedom. I am now in Accra. This is it's morning time. We are going to visit some sites. My visitors are here with me in the vehicle.
Hey, how you doing?
Yes, we are going to. There's a traffic here, and I'll show you that it's a traffic jam. And the time is I think it's not any rush hour right now, but there's a traffic. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share the videos, and to comment. I'm going to show you some sites in Accra today. I hope that next time you make plan to visit Accra. Our driver is here. His name is Forcy. He's a bit tired. This morning I saw that he was a bit sleeping while he was sitting there. Yeah, maybe he was not happy because Ghana played last night and Ghana lost the game. Maybe that's why he was not happy. How was it? Did you watch the game? Okay. So was it? I didn't watch it. I didn't. I just checked on Google the score. So did they play well or did they play well?
They do their best.
They do what?
They do their best.
Alright guys, this is me again. We are now at our first stop, which is Museum of Dubois Museum. We are here with our guests. They are here. I'm gonna show you maybe if they allow us to take videos inside, we will be able to show you inside. This is our first stop for the morning. After that we'll show you other places where we will be visiting, but in the meantime I'm gonna encourage you to subscribe to this video because we have many places that we would like to show you. Actually, after we finish here in Ghana, we are going back to Rwanda, and then if you are interested to be part of a trip, if you live in New York, you are from Haiti, or you are Haitian, we will have another trip with different people who are interested to come to Africa, to visit West Africa, to visit East Africa. We want to invite you to start making plans because we will be sending you a program. We will make it available on our website. We also have a website called Quête de Vérité for those of you who speak French. So and also we don't have a website yet for My Search for Freedom, but you will have all the information through my videos on YouTube. So please subscribe, share, like, and comment the videos. Talk to you soon.
Alright, so you're all welcome to the house of Dr. Dubois. My name is Israel. I'll be your science guide this morning. And this is where he lived for just 2 years. He was invited here by the first president of Ghana, called Osagyefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, to come together to edit a book called the Encyclopedia Africana Dictionary of African Biography. This is a book which talks about black people, what they have, what they can do, and the resources available to them. So he came to Ghana in the year 1961 when he was 93 years old, and he died at the age of 95 in the year 1963. You may also ask who is Dr. Dubois. He is a Pan-African leader, a civil rights leader, a historian, a writer, and also a poet. So once again, you are all welcome to the house of Dr. Dubois. The main reason also why he came to Ghana was to come to Ghana to edit a book called the Encyclopedia Africana, Dictionary of African Biography. That's what we see right here, the WEB Dubois. So he was to write on all African countries in 10 to 20 volumes, but due to his age and the time frame, he just ended up with 8 countries in 3 volumes. The 8 countries consist of Ghana, Ethiopia, Sierra Leone, Zaire is now Congo, South Africa, Lesotho, Botswana, and Swaziland. So these are the 8 countries he completed in 3 volumes in the space of 2 years and in his 90s.
All these are original, right?
No, just the red.
They're not the original.
Yeah. So these are the original ones that he did. Yeah. The instrument we see here talks about how freedom was prevailed in the past. Freedom was prevailed by our past leaders. Some prevailed freedom through trade, through violence, through education, through writings, through rallies, etc. But sometimes we forget about the fact that music played a very major role in the fight for freedom of the African people. We used to have musical legends like Fela Kuti, Bob Marley, and the others who actually used music and instruments as a medium to speak to the African people on how best they can unite themselves and also come together as African people, so we become a one people, a one nation, and a one continent. So this instrument here is just to play a major role and to make people acknowledge the fact that music also played a major role in the time in history to fight for freedom and peace for the Africans. In this glass we have some letters and journals. Some he wrote in his own handwriting, some in French and some in English. He was a man who understood 6 good languages, which were French, Greek, Latin, German, Chinese, and English. He taught Greek and Latin at Howard University and Clark Atlanta University. Yeah, it's this side. You were asking something, sorry.
No, we're saying like, what was it? Spanish, it's great Spanish.
Oh, no, his dad was a black French, and the dad was from Haiti.
From Haiti,
yes. The dad was from Haiti, and the mom was a descendant from the slave trade.
Which we are also from Haiti.
Oh.
Well.
All right, so you move to the next room. this is where he's buried when he died on the 27th of August. He died on the eve of the Civil Rights March in Washington, which was, I said he died on the eve of the Civil Rights March in Washington.
On Washington DC,
Yes. It was led by Martin Senator King Jr. and freedom we were all fighting for. So these are the schools he attended. He went to Fisk, he taught in Harvard, he taught in Clark, Atlanta, he went to Harvard.
How did you get into Harvard?
He was smart at that time.
At that time.
So there was a contradiction between Du Bois and Booker T. Okay. Booker T believed in the talented and also believed in the education that as African people promote and engage in vocational activities so that we can learn from these people. So that was the contradiction. So his way...
One is like elevate yourself.
Exactly, yes. So a way to actually prove to the people that as Africans we could do it, that's why how come he found his way in Harvard. So in Harvard he became the first black man to attain PhD in Harvard. Wow. So yes, first black man to attain PhD in Harvard.
So it was just education and...
Exactly, yes.
Was you running in sports or athletics?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
It's time for photos. The photo shoot.